Sounded real good, your watchmaker. I'm going to pull on back here and listen in for a little bit.
Where you at, Pittsburgh? Let's go.
Bye, Watchmaker. Take care. Appreciate you rolling the live video gate. Hey, Watchmaker, take care. Always a pleasure. No money in Maryland. Sitting back.
Hey, no money. What you uploading your video go to?
I'm going to post it on YouTube, and then I'll post it in Truck's live video gates.
I appreciate it there, KP68. I appreciate it, man. A lot of work. It's a lot of work, but I sure do appreciate the flowers. Keep some for yourself. A lot of good sounding stations in here, and we just cleaned my radio out. KP68, I'm rolling the live gate. You can check it out. Yeah, 410. I'm rolling it there in Truck CB Sales Live Gates. And he sounded real good, KP68. Wild Child, 161. Whew, man, Phantom 309, go on and on, man. Everybody in the radio right now.
Dave made, 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 gone.
Okay, bro, I'll get you later, KP68, sounding all kinds of good in the pile.
Dang, sound like the foot slipped off the clutch. Oh, dear, they go around down like somebody's foot slipped off the clutch. Oh, look at that, damn shifting.
No, I don't tell you, three-legged dog. Hey, three-legged dog. No money in Maryland. Come on down.
There's somebody trying to get over that power there, but I couldn't make out who it was.